As a busy healthcare provider, you need more time to care for patients, not deal with endless administrative tasks. Perhaps it's frustrating when leadership demands more of your time for clinical documentation improvement initiatives. You may be asked to sit through an education session and answer the frequent clinical documentation queries authored by individuals not involved in direct patient care. You just want to focus on patient care and ignore it all. Well, we have good news and bad news. The bad news is that optimizing severity reporting through accurate documentation is no longer optional. Correct and consistent documentation has the potential to impact many pivotal metrics, like length of stay and readmission rates. It is here to stay. But here's the good news. There's an app for that. ClinIntell is a pioneer in patient population severity analytics, and we have realized that changing provider documentation practices is not insurmountable, as many administrators may think. You see, underdocumentation and subsequent underreporting of specific clinical conditions is not a reflection of clinical competency. Rather, it reflects the disparity between the clinical vernacular of providers and the coding and documentation guidelines, which is typically a black box to you. Our approach opens this black box, targeting the most underreported clinically significant conditions in your unique patient population. Queries should decrease as you consistently apply approved definitions from your personalized, targeted list of clinical conditions. With our app, you will have access to video training on approved clinical definitions and references, plus performance tracking and reports for you and your peer group, all conveniently in the palm of your hand. Book a demo today and let us show you how our app can empower you with exactly what you need to document with confidence.